Take command of the road in the 2007 GMC Sierra 1500 Classic. This two-door, three-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.